What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So, very first thing I like to mention is that thank you guys for liking the video. It definitely helps out the channel. Last Tesla video got 93 likes, so let's see if we can beat that record. So let's start off with the technical analysis portion of this video. So you can see it on the daily chart. I looked at Tesla on Monday. I look at Tesla basically every Monday and every Thursday, unless something happened to my schedule. And since Monday, you see the market has been bullish, or in specifically Tesla has been bullish. Reason being is that the measure move was met. So right around this 191 level, I was expecting a bounce. Price bounced slightly early, which is, okay, market isn't perfect. These are humans after all trading the market. Even if there's a robot, who programmed the robot? Who programmed the algorithm? It's still humans. So there's still humans, in the market. So basically the measurement move target was nearly met. So this was the first attempt to reach the measurement target that failed back here in September. A bounce up. This was the second attempt by the sellers to reach it, and they basically reached it. Now we're seeing a reversal take place. So there is a strong incentive for price to continue higher. Reason being is that there's a gap right here that can be filled. So I would say the first target, it looks like the 241, 242 level. That was the breakout point, and that's where the gap is. So I think the bulls can continue pushing up price there. And also we can see maybe price reach this trend line up here at the 252. So 242, 252 are my first two targets. So let's go and circle that. And if we continue higher, we'll probably knock out this high of the uptrend. So since the measurement is met, there's a strong bullish imbalance going on. There are probably going to be more aggressive buyers and sellers as of right now, because since we broke this yellow channel, usually when you break a channel, you'll see two pushes up in that direction. So the bulls are going to be trying to attempt to make a new high of this uptrend that it's in. So this correction looks to be over. We could be filling in the gap first, 242, and then the 252. Let's see if we find resistance here or not. Good chance, we won't. But if we do, price can maybe just continue down lower. But there's a good chance it'll probably break it. Or if it does get rejected, it'll be a small bounce or rejection for continuation to the upside, something like that. So again, Tesla is still bullish. I'm looking for higher price targets, and you see the market crash down pretty sharply. We're no longer inside of that downward trend line. It was probably sharp drop like that. So again, this looks pretty good to the upside. So Tesla, expecting more upside. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that this week has been pretty bullish. You can see that price was trading once upon a time at the low to mid 190s, and now it's trading up in the 218s, which is a very big reversal. So you can see that the bears tried 2 times to get below the 211 level and stay below it. So it looks like they're failing. This was the first time right here that failed. This is the second time that's looking like it's failing. And why does that 211 level matter? Is because this was prior resistance that the bulls broke through. So there was prior resistance, now it's turning to support. So we're seeing the bulls defend this level right here. So it looks pretty good at the upside. We're finding support. There are a couple of targets higher, such as a gap fill and a trend line hit. A measurement target was met by the bears. There is a strong incentive to continue to drive up the price to the upside, which is retesting these prior highs and even exceeding them. So again, this looks pretty good at the upside. You can see that once price broke this orange channel, there are also 2 attempts down. This was the first attempt down right here, and this was the second attempt. And the bears are trying to make a new low for this downtrend, but it looks like they're failing to get below the 211 level, which shows signs of strength for the bulls. At the end of the day, you have to see who is the stronger dominant force in the market. Is it the buyers? Is it the sellers? Or are they both kind of neutral? So as of right now, it looks like the buyers are coming back in. Aggressive buyers are coming back in. It was the bears. It was the bulls since January 2023 up until basically July, and then from July up until or late October, bears were dominating for the most part, and now it looks like the structure is changing in favor of the bulls, so it's shifting gears. So this looks pretty good at the upside. Let's see how this develops. So that's for Tesla this week, Thursday, and I'll most likely give you guys an update on Monday. Make sure you guys like the video. It definitely helps out the channel. And I'll keep on giving you guys these Tesla price predictions. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.